Bro, these are the conditions of the plants now. I'm starting in the middle part of the plant bed. We are doing a test harvest right now. So the plants have yet to produce flowers. New leaves are starting to come out. Probably the effect of the spraying, but we have yet to still increase vegetation. Hence increasing flowers. So as you can see, this one has little or almost no leaves on top, but new ones are starting to grow at the bottom. Therefore, at least visible sign that it's still alive. So about 80% of the population are like this. So that's why again we have yet to increase leaves to increase flowers. Like this one, for example. See how beautiful the leaves are at the bottom part. I'll go back. This one also, and like this. This is the ideal growth that we are expecting. You know, almost no leaves at the top. And yet, see at the bottom. Growth has spurted already. So I'm almost at the end of the row. We are expecting at least 150 kilograms by tomorrow. Hopefully we reach 200.